High cholesterol levels can increase your risk of heart disease and stroke. To reduce cholesterol levels in the body, here are 10 ways. Adopt a healthy diet. A healthy diet can help lower cholesterol levels in the body. Avoid saturated and trans fats as well as processed foods, and increase your intake of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Incorporate more heart-healthy fats, such as those found in avocados, nuts, and fish. Exercise regularly. Regular exercise is important for maintaining healthy cholesterol levels. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise on most days of the week. Exercise helps increase HDL, good, cholesterol and lower LDL, bad, cholesterol. 3. Quit smoking. Smoking can damage blood vessels and increase the risk of heart disease. If you smoke, quitting can help improve cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. 4. Maintain a healthy weight. Being overweight or obese can raise cholesterol levels in the body. Losing even a small amount of weight can help improve cholesterol levels. Aim for a healthy body mass index, BMI, between 18.5 and 24.9. 5. Take medications as prescribed. For some people, medications may be necessary to help lower cholesterol levels. If your doctor prescribes medication, be sure to take it as directed and follow up with regular blood tests to monitor your cholesterol levels. 6. Increase your fiber intake. Eating more soluble fiber can help lower LDL, bad, cholesterol levels. Good sources of soluble fiber include oats, beans, fruits, and vegetables. Aim for at least 25 to 30 grams of fiber per day. 7. Limit alcohol consumption. Drinking too much alcohol can raise cholesterol levels in the body. If you choose to drink, do so in moderation. For men, this means no more than 2 drinks per day, and for women, no more than 1 drink per day. 8. Manage stress. Chronic stress can raise cholesterol levels and increase the risk of heart disease. Practice stress-reducing activities such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises. 9. Get enough sleep. Poor sleep can lead to higher cholesterol levels. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night to improve cholesterol levels and overall health. Add plant sterols to your diet. Plant sterols are compounds found in plant-based foods that can help lower cholesterol levels. Good sources of plant sterols include fortified margarine, orange juice, and certain types of yogurt. Be sure to check with your doctor before adding plant sterols to your diet, especially if you are taking cholesterol-lowering medication.